Hey ladies, it's Miss Gasparini. I'm here with another Storytime Read Aloud. I hope you've been having a very safe and fun holiday break and that you've been able to read lots and lots of books. Today's book that I will be reading to you is called A Dot in the Snow. A Dot in the Snow is by Corinne Averiss and illustrated by Fiona Woodcock. And it's about a polar bear named Miki who meets a new friend who he's very curious about. I can't wait to read it with you guys. Let's get started. A Dot in the Snow. A Dot in the Snow. Miki wanted Mom to play in the snow, not fish on the ice. Snow was soft and fishing looked hard. Miki wasn't ready to dive, so he scampered away. Up, up, up the snowy ridge. And that's when he saw it, a dot in the snow. He raced to get a closer look. The dot waved its paw. Miki sniffed. It smelled friendly. He liked its twinkly face and the gurgling sound it made. Did the dot want to play? Yes, it did. They are playing. And then suddenly, it didn't. A red thing was missing from one of Dot's paws. Miki raced back. The ice went creak crack. The red thing fell into the sea. Miki dived. The deeper it sank, the harder he paddled. Until he caught it. Oh no, now the ice was breaking everywhere. Miki showed the dot how to jump. And together they climbed up, up, up to the place where they played. But where had it gone? Everything was white. Everything except for a dot in the snow. A mommy dot. Two cold noses nudged goodbye. And twinkly faces hugged hello. Miki knew he would miss Dot. But he missed his mom even more. Paw after paw, slow through the snow, Miki marched back through the ice. Mom, where are you? A shape in the sea. Could it really be? Mom! No paddling left in little legs. Mom swam Miki to a safer spot. He wanted to tell her all about the dot. But it would have to wait. Miki dived deep, deep into sleep. And that's the end. I like that story a lot. I like that Miki meets the dot and that they form a friendship. I was a little scared when Dot and Miki were on the ice and it was breaking up, but he got her to safety, which was awesome. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this book as much as I did. And I hope you're reading, and following along with all our YouTube videos. And I will see you back on January 4th. Bye bye, girls.